Okay, so today we have with us Fakia, the owner of the very famous group these days, Two Rings, which basically caters everything our society is. शादी मतलब हमारी सोसाइटी में हर वक्त हर मौसम में हर किसी को शादी करनी होती है. तो Fakia, first of all, how are you? Welcome to the show. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
So Fakia, where did you get this idea from? This कि एक मैं शादी का ग्रुप बनाती हूँ, सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ ये सब हो सकता है एंड लिटरली ये हमारी जिसे होते हैं नेशनल मशगला है हमारी कौम का शादी करना. So where did it come from?
So basically, I have been running a few groups already. And I've always been a marketing and a PR person, more of a PR person. So people would tell me to find somebody for themselves. So पहले तो university time पे तो I used to do this for fun. I mean, you hitch people, your friends and all. So वो करती थी मैं. उसके बाद मतलब that was not like I would not match make at that time. It was just for fun. So उसके बाद फिर when people started masking me कि अगर कोई इस तरह का हो, उस तरह का हो, ऐसा हो, वैसा हो, तो आप बताएं. तो this is when I used to do that. Not because of matchmaking, but generally कि अगर किसी का पता है, so X boy and Y girl or A, B, C family would tell me कि हमें इस तरह की family चाहिए. तो अगर कोई पता होता तो बता देती थी. But then I didn't have enough time because I was getting married and you get busy.
Yeah.
I had a full-time job also. This is when I created Two Rings.
Oh.
So it was overnight. It was not the only maqsad of the group was to introduce my friends and friends of friends to each other or family members, cousins, वगैरह, whoever's looking for a soulmate or looking forward to so for a very restricted group. So I added a few people and the group was restricted to 1,000 members for the first 6 months. So we started in November 2019 and till June 2020 we had 1,000 members. That's it. So for 6 months, it was a very close group of people. But then I felt, because now people had started knowing about the group themselves also. So, people started messaging me saying, oh, we would want to join the group. Can you let us in? And then at that point, I was like, why not? I mean, we can do a reference check and add people. So we started adding people, and then I informed a few people officially also that, we are running this group and it might help you. So, and from June to we're in December, right? So
Yeah.
we're 80,000 members, so more than 80,000. So it grew quite rapidly.
And the 80,000 happened in 4 or 5 months, right?
4 or 5 months, yeah. So
I remember it was
sudden.
an overnight thing.
Yeah, very sudden.
Would you like to be the national official matchmaker in Pakistan, matching couples and all of that?
Not really. Because my aim was not to become a matchmaker, but to provide a platform where people could meet and find the right sort of person. Because I am very much against the current Rishta culture and the matchmakers in the market who have, made this a business. You subscribe to their thing, to get
you
into
fill forms.
you fill forms.
You give money for filling the forms.
So you get the form for 5,000 or 10,000, and then when you get married, you get 25,000. You're paying 100,000 depending on the sort of rishta you want. So okay, it's just like the bakra market में होता है ना, जब कुर्बानी के लिए 50,000 वाला बकरा, लाख वाला बकरा, सबको कौन सा
literally.
So उस तरह से हो रहा होता है. So I am very much against that culture, and I wanted people, because there are a lot of people out there who are educated, who are literate, and I mean, it's such a taboo that even the liberals have hard time finding the right sort of people. And even because we don't talk about it, we are left with very few options, limited options. And when you have limited options, you either do not get married or compromise. A lot of people end up compromising, and then which leads to divorces and sad marriages.
But I also feel that there's this desperation because of the pressure to get married. you have to get married by a certain age, you have to be off the shelf, there's an expiry date to women.
True.
And all that, the things we
Yeah.
hear. So it's really ridiculous. Because of the desperation, we fall into wrong marriages or relationships.
बिल्कुल ऐसी है,
pressure.
बिल्कुल I agree, because we see when a girl turns, something around 30, when you're around 30, people would be like, oh, she's so old. I mean, 30 is not old.
But 30 is
it's-
when you get the mental
because
capacity to actually get married.
I think when we complete our education, it's when we're around 25, 26 or 24, even if it's early. So after you complete your education, I think you as a human being need 2 to 3 years, 4 years for your own self.
To build your
And
career,
yeah,
to, whatever, do whatever you want to do.
Yeah, so experiment. मगर हमारे यहाँ तो खैर ये भी बात बहुत होती है ना कि जो भी करना है शादी की बात करना. Do this with your husband.
And which is why I also feel there's so many unhappy marriages, because especially women, they're not allowed to live their dream.
Yeah,
So
true.
they are बचपन से कंडीशन किया जाता है कि सारे ड्रीम्स अब शादी के बाद पूरे करना. अब शादी के बाद उन पे एक अलग किस्म की ये नहीं कर सकते, आप वो नहीं कर सकते.
बिल्कुल.
So they are, एक psychological depression में सब चले जाते हैं, because they're never allowed to live their lives.
हाँ,
by
because
their terms.
you parents, if not parents, the elders or our families, the environment, the
society,
culture, the society, everybody's saying कि आप ये आप शादी के बाद कीजिएगा, या if you want to travel with friends, no, you should not travel, शादी के बाद अपने husband के साथ जाना. अच्छा, सब कुछ husband के साथ करना है. And then when you get married, it's very different, because not all families are the same. Not all, it's not 100%. I mean, it's not a surety, or you're never sure if that the family you're going to is similar to your own family. I mean, you only find out more about a family,
When you start living with them.
when you live with them. So I guess it's very sad, the entire environment for women as well as men. I think लड़कों के लिए भी बहुत मसला होता है कि they're asked for stuff which, if I think, very personal. I mean, which might hurt their self-respect, their ego. So
I was actually coming to that कि एक तो है औरतों का तो बेचारियों का मसला है, उनकी शादी भी हो जाती है, so they're never seen as human beings. They're seen as people who are going to come and take care of the family or the guy. So basically their dreams, so they're hardly get to fulfill them. But men also, with 2 rings, what I feel from my observation is the culture of arranged marriages, which is okay, it's fine, but the culture of going, seeing people, sitting in their homes, girls bringing tray, men being asked these awkward questions, कितना कमाते हो लड़की को. मैंने बहुत सारे इंस्टेंसेस में ये भी सुना है कि लड़कों से पूछा गया था कि घर कैसे अलग रखोगे, साथ रखोगे, बिल कैसे भरोगे, पैसे कितने दोगे, all these awkward questions जो होते हैं. So do you think your group will also help cater to those problems? Because I think it would.
Alright, so first, मेरा जो initially aim था, that was to introduce a platform or a place where people could, meet potential prospects. I mean, meet people, partners, and obviously I would want to cater to this thing as well. I would want to, increase awareness. But for now, I think it's such a taboo, the rishta culture. Abhi to hum log, we're not even on that stage yet. Abhi tak bhi, when I talk about 2 rings, you would see people would not post their profiles themselves because they're shy. Even if somebody's posting, people would judge them. So, abhi hum usi parts, like we're still on the first step. We're still on stage 1. People are still struggling, and they're still thinking. Matlab, I receive roughly 400-500 messages daily saying, हम अपनी प्रोफाइल खुद कैसे पोस्ट करें, क्या आप anonymously पोस्ट कर देंगी, can we post it anonymously, can you make the group, because there's a new option from Facebook where if the admin wants, post can be posted anonymously by the original poster, like the person who's posting. So a lot of people say आप वो वाली feature on कर दें कि हम anonymously post करें. So I mean, people don't want, I mean, you're looking for someone, and that someone should not even know who you are.
Yeah.
So
because I think this comes from the haya wala factor कि शर्म होती है, हया होती है, आप खुद कैसे कर सकते हो, ये तो माँ बाप का काम है, which is ridiculous if I may put my opinion. आपने जिंदगी गुजारनी है, आपको लड़का लड़की को पता होना चाहिए, but I think the haya, the sharam society.
Yeah, so we're still on step one where we're catering to this problem where people, I mean the girl and the guy who are getting married, they're not involved. Everybody else is. रिश्तेदार, far-fetched relatives, family, सब लोग होंगे, लेकिन लड़का और लड़की नहीं होंगे. So it's pretty sad. And I would want to overcome this part. पहले लड़का और लड़की तो involve हो, मतलब to begin with, so that they know. A lot of people don't even know who they're getting married to. Even today we have a lot of people who say कि हम first time when we saw each other was after our nikah. I mean that's insane.
मतलब सब करके देख लो.
So शादी कर ली है and then you're like, oh, this is the person I'm spending my life with. I mean gambling मतलब
another level altogether.
Next level. So ये चीज़ थी. फिर उसके बाद obviously now my step 2, like I would really want to work on a few things.
But here's a little thing, sorry I'm cutting you off, but here's a little thing I want to ask you, that there are a few people I see who come out and they put out their own profiles being very honest about who they are, but then the judgment about those posts, the people, it's insane. People would say all, how do you ensure, or how do you think you will be ever be able to actually stop that, the judgment?
Yeah, so basically we are very much against those people who were judgmental, and if you're passing a judgmental comment, we've clearly mentioned that we can block you or we would mute you for a month. So it depends on the type of a comment that the person is saying. Like, if you're passing a comment, it depends on what you've written. Most of the people are muted for a month, and there are over 3,000-4,000 people who've been blocked from the group just because they were passing judgmental comments, judging people for their age, for their looks, for their type of requirements. I mean, that is not allowed because freedom of speech hi nahi hai na. This is the issue. So we would want freedom of speech, and we need to have a place where we do not judge people, मतलब judge candidates, members, generally each other. और जो हम लोग इनिशियली बात कर रहे थे ऑफ द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन दैट यू आस्क्ड, उसका स्टेप 2, माय गोल is to work against a few things, which is, one is dowry, materialistic demands, लड़कों से जो पूछा जाता है सैलरी का, लड़कों से पूछा जाता है आप कितनी पॉकेट मनी देंगे, या आप क्या कर सकते हैं, आप क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं. लड़कियों से जजिंग ऑन लुक्स, या asking for certain features or attributes. I mean, you're not choosing a phone. But, I mean,
it's not even in your hand. It's a creation.
So I would really want to work on those aspects. But initially, we really need to, be open about this in the first place. So as soon as, I mean, I'm really happy with the sort of response we're getting. But as soon as, maybe a few months down the lane, we would start working on, we'll do proper campaigns to, educate people for awareness that, you need to come out of this. It's the mindset that has been, built upon over time. And I mean, you're born, as soon as you're born, you have been, it's just instilled in you. Like, I mean, so I don't know.
I mean, it's going to take time. तो उसकी जायज़ के पैसे जमा करना.
हाँ, so people, even today, people are like, when you have a daughter, oh, abab, you should start saving. I mean,
for what?
For what? The शादी? Yes, शादी बहुत मुश्किल होती है करना. I mean, लड़के की भी तो होती है, लड़का भी शादी करेगा, लड़की भी करेगी.
देखा जाए,
I mean, you should. People समझ आता है, if you, I'm sorry I'm cutting you off, but समझ आता है कि आप बोलो कि एजुकेशन के लिए पैसे जमा करो, या if you're saving, make
her independent.
Yeah, on focusing on her independence, or maybe if you're saving up for property for your children, that makes sense. Yeah. But for their शादी जहेज देना है,
हाँ, प्रॉपर्टी तो उनका फ्यूचर तो एटलीस्ट आप इंश्योर कर सकते हो ना.
So something, हाँ, but the focus on जहेज, the focus on gold, that is very sad.
Actually, the focus on gold is for male and women both.
Yeah.
जो मतलब because most of the people in our society, they do belong to middle class, and so eventually जब उनको सोचते हैं फ्यूचर में अपने बच्चों की शादियां करेंगे, तो बचपन से ही गोल्ड जमा करना शुरू कर देते हैं कि ये हम अपनी बहू को दे देंगे, ये हम which is ridiculous. I feel कि अगर लड़का लड़की पे खुद भी जिम्मेदारी डालें शादी की, तो they will also grow up to be mature, sensible human beings, you know.
And I believe that लड़का और लड़की को ही जो भी उनकी capacity है
उसमें करें,
उसी में करें. हाँ, I think reducing the investment into events should be the focus, because we waste a lot of money. I mean, if you give the same amount of money to the couple, because when you are looking for somebody, especially when you're looking for a guy for your daughter, you would say हमें well settled लड़का चाहिए. I mean 25 साल का हो या 26 साल का हो, लेकिन बहुत well settled होना चाहिए. So it's not just the girl's family who's investing, it's the boy's family as well. You're giving muh dikhai, you're giving bari, and you're doing walima and mehndi or whatever. इतनी चीजें, वो ऐसा नहीं है कि लड़के वालों की शादी, लड़कों की ऐसी शादी हो जाती है, बेचारों की उनका भी इन्वेस्टमेंट होती है. तो वही जो पैसे हैं, अगर कपल could buy something for themselves, or maybe go for a world tour, or like travel, or
make memories,
memories, then feeding people जिनको बाद में issues ही होंगे, कुछ भी होगा बहुत ज्यादा है, तो यार इन्होंने बहुत खर्चा कर दिया है. These people spend way too much.
या उन पैसों की छोटी सी प्रॉपर्टी दिला दो उनको,
या छोटी प्रॉपर्टी दिला दो, you start getting rentals, they can start off with a small business. कुछ भी हो सकता है.
But how do you, with the group tourings, how do you feel that you will be able to cater to these problems, because these things are deep rooted?
Okay, so one thing makes me very happy when I read profiles, when we are approving profiles on the group, there are many people now who would state that we would not want dowry, or we're not willing to give dowries, against that makes me happy, क्योंकि मैंने आज तक कोई भी एक पोस्ट भी ऐसी नहीं देखी है ऐसा जो ऐसे बोले कि we would want this, या हम लोगों ने उस तरह की कुछ अप्रूव किया. So this changing trend, it's already changing. However, yes, the elders in the society are obviously, they come from a different era, so their mindset is different. उनके ज़माने की सोच ही अलग थी ना. The thought processes were different. The entire culture was different. It's changing, so it's going to take time. But I think if we do campaigns, if we talk about it, if we talk to the people who are getting married, the young ones, and jo trendsetters. So for example, if this XYZ person who had a very small scale wedding, I think we should talk to them. We should publicize how well there's trendsetters, and they should be encouraged, and so that other people follow. Because young जो भी हो, जिनकी शादी हो रही होती है, relatively mostly are immature. Yeah, if not immature, you can say they're young minds, right? So they're very easy to mold. I mean, it's easier to convince young minds. So unko agar hum if we through them, if we increase awareness through them and to them, because they're the ones deciding. Chalo sahi hai, I agree that parents have a major role, lekin if the kids themselves are against it, I think it will make a difference.
So how do you ensure कि इनकी information जो है, इनकी pictures जो हैं, वो leak नहीं हो? It's like a safe place for people who want to post for genuine reasons.
So I see how members have started watermarking the pictures with 2 rings.
I saw that.
So they would write 4 2 rings
only.
For 2 rings only. So they've started doing it themselves. I mean, I really feel honored, and it's such a big achievement, because in a society like ours where privacy is huge issue. And especially for women, people don't want to put up the pictures. मतलब अपनी profile पे भी pictures नहीं लगाते, तो वो अपने group पे लगा रहे हैं, so on a public platform. So I think that's a big achievement कि लोग खुद से करें. However, we as a group do not take responsibility of privacy, because obviously a lot of members are added in the group, so you cannot ensure privacy. However, at the same time, I would like to say that when we're adding people, we ensure that we're adding genuine profiles. So we have filters, we have strong filters, and a lot of people are really upset with the group because they've not been added, or they've been blocked, or they've been muted. So, there's a huge lot which is upset. Why are they upset? Because they're the wrong sort of people who would want to make fun of people, or
just
exploit or have a good time. When we start blocking people, when we start muting people, there are a lot of people who hate us, but that's for our own good. We're a safer place.
It answers your questions.
For the right reasons.
Yeah.
So we're trying to make it a safer place. Obviously, it's up platform which it's a taboo. There's so many things attached to it, so it's not easy, but we're trying our best, and over time it is just improving.
Where do you see tourings in like 5 years from now, do you think?
Looking at the success rate and looking how tourings has just developed over time, we've done the matrimonial meetup also, and it's just getting bigger and better, and it's helping people. That makes me extremely happy. So because of that, I really, really, really want to expand this, and let's see how we do it. We're still working on it.
Yeah.
So this is why I honestly don't have the right thing to tell you.
Yeah.
कि 5 years बाद कैसा होगा. But we're trying to structure it. That's the best way to put it across.
Yeah.
And we would want to, obviously I would want to make this a place safer, because we're growing every day. So safer and bigger and easier, because it should be easier to find profiles and all.
Yeah.
So inshallah, this will go big. Inshallah.
Let's see.
I wish it helps. My aim is not to just grow, but to help people.
Thank you for providing people with this platform. I think it is helping a lot with killing the toxic rishta culture also. And we wish you the absolute best of luck for it. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you.
Thank you for calling me.
Thank you.